Hi, I'm Jovi. Thanks for joining me today. I will show you how to turn a t-shirt into a piece of framed artwork. First, gather your supplies. Get your t-shirt, a canvas panel, scissors, a foam brush, and Mod Podge. First, lay your t-shirt on the table. Then lay your canvas panel over top of the design that you want to frame. Next, you will mark the t-shirt where you want to cut. Now remove your canvas panel and cut the design out of the t-shirt. Once that's done, place your canvas panel back on the table and lay your t-shirt over top of it. Now it's time to begin adhering the t-shirt to the canvas panel with your Mod Podge. Pour some Mod Podge onto the canvas and begin brushing it evenly. Once your Mod Podge is spread evenly over this section, you can lay your t-shirt over top of it. Press it down to ensure that there are no air pockets between the shirt and the Mod Podge. Now it's time to do the next section. Simply repeat what you did the first time. Pour some Mod Podge onto this half of the canvas. Now it's time to lay this half of the t-shirt over top of the canvas and the Mod Podge. Don't forget to press it down to make sure that you remove all of the air bubbles. Now it's time to leave it alone for a little while so it can dry completely. Once it's dry, it will be time to trim the excess t-shirt away from the canvas. Now you're ready to put your canvas into your frame. You can use a frame with or without glass. I chose one with glass. But if you choose one without glass, you may want to add a protective layer over your t-shirt before framing it. You could use Mod Podge or spray as your protective layer. Here is our finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.